Mega menus and breadcrumbs can make or break your website's accessibility. Most designers get them completely wrong, leaving keyboard users and people with disabilities totally stuck. Here's what you need to know. Keyboard traps are accessibility killers. When someone tabs into your mega menu but can't tab out, they're trapped on your site. Always ensure users can navigate with tab, arrow keys, and escape to exit. Your mega menu needs clear visual focus indicators, that little outline showing which element is selected. Make it at least 2 pixels wide with 3:1 contrast ratio. Never remove it for aesthetic reasons. For breadcrumbs, use ordered lists with proper ARIA labels. They're lifesavers for screen reader users who need context about where they are on your site. Mobile users need love too. Make your hamburger menu recognizable, include the word menu next to the icon, and ensure touch targets are at least 44 by 44 pixels. The biggest mistake? Hover-only activation. If your menu only opens on mouse hover, keyboard users and many mobile users are completely locked out. Remember, accessibility isn't just compliance. It's about ensuring everyone can navigate your site independently. By implementing these patterns correctly, you create better experiences while reducing legal risks. Your future users will thank you.